welcome back to my channel. Look what my boyfriend bought me. Ears go up. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys. It is here. I have my Noosh Brands box. So I actually reached out to these guys and asked them to send me a couple samples to try it out and review for you guys. So here is my review and unboxing video. Let's open this up. It says Smush the Noosh. So I've never actually tried these, but I've seen them in a couple keto videos that I watched, and I wanted to do a top 10 keto video. So I needed to try the products before I actually put them in the video. So let's see. It says almond butter, smooth and silky, no palm oil, no peanut, no dairy, no soy, no preservatives, vegan, gluten-free, kosher, naturally sourced ingredients. Noosh coffee, naturally flavored, caffeine-free. And it says, Noosh Keto MCT oil almond butter is specifically formulated to support the ketogenic diet. Added MCT, so medium chain triglycerides oil, provides perfect energy on the go. It says here that one serving size is 14 grams and it has 90 calories per packet. And it also says it has 2 grams of total carbs per packet. And one of those is fiber, so the net carbs is only 1 gram per packet here. And we'll see what that looks like in a second. Added MCT, so medium chain triglycerides oil, provides perfect energy for on the go. Add to shakes, breakfast, or enjoy as a handy keto snack. So obviously I don't do breakfast, I don't do lunch, I do only OMAD. And so this is the only time I would eat it is in the evening when I'm doing my OMAD 1 meal a day for my intermittent fasting. It says here that it's 15 individual squeeze packs. So let's see what that means. I've kind of have an idea of what that means. So there's a little flap here. And you just open that up. Oh, that's super cute. So yeah, you just have your little squeeze pack here and you eat that. Isn't that so cute? Which is kind of dangerous for people on keto because, you know, we like to eat a lot of almond butter and we like to eat a lot of nuts. So this is perfect for keto. Also dangerous, so make sure you're watching your calories and everything. The next item in my box is this one here. And it says Noosh Almond Butter Birthday Cake. And it also says Keto plus MCT oil. So this one was the coffee flavor and this is the birthday cake flavor. I forgot to mention that, I believe. So coffee flavor, birthday cake flavor, both of them are keto plus MCT oil. So they're both actually keto friendly and they're designed to fit in a ketogenic diet. So let's open this one up. I've heard so many good things about this and I've seen it. I've seen some people do trial videos of this birthday cake almond butter. And this is initially the reason why I reached out to them because I really wanted to try it and it looked really good, but I also wanted to try it for you guys so I can do a review for you guys and show you guys if it's good. One individual squeeze packet here is 14 grams. And it has 90 calories and 2 grams of carbs, one of which is fiber, so it's only 1 gram of net carbs in here. So I'm gonna try that in a second. This one is birthday cake flavored almond butter. I really like their packaging, it's adorable. So here, coffee and birthday cake. So I'm gonna do a little taste test, but first I wanna see what else is in the box. The next thing that they sent me is baking flour. Cool. I didn't even know they had baking flour. On the back it says from pizza crust to pancakes and bagels to cake. It's keto friendly, of course. It's Noosh with almond oil and MCT oil. Directions: 1 cup of keto baking flour is approximately 1 cup of all-purpose coconut or gluten-free flours. So that is pretty cool. It says it's a plant-based superfood. No peanut, no soy, no dairy, no corn, no palm oil. At Noosh, innovation has always been the driver behind our company, but quality is the foundation. That is why we created the first keto flour that fits perfectly into your everyday recipes. Use our flour for baking your favorite snacks or cooking your favorite meal without compromising your keto-friendly diet. Cool. So I'm thinking that this probably tastes kind of like an almond flour. And I want to give it a little taste test after in a second. So let's do our taste test now. I'm going to try this one first because I've really been wanting to try this. So it's so cute. It has this little slit here. So you just open the slit up. And that looks like you just eat it. Oh my God, it's liquid. Okay, I don't think it's supposed to be that liquid. It says before opening, knead and squeeze thoroughly. So obviously when you have almond butter, there's the natural oils that come out of it. So I probably should have squished it out a little bit first. and knead it properly so it doesn't kind of splash all over the place. But that's what it looks like. It actually tastes very good. It tastes like birthday cake. Yeah, that is good. I'm sorry if anyone's fasting right now. It's super creamy. Yeah, this is really good. Definitely tastes like birthday cake, and it's super, super creamy. The only thing I would say is just to make sure that you squish it and knead it properly before, just so you kind of mixing the oils back into the almond butter in here. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing, and I already ate kind of like half of it probably, but super, super nice snack. Definitely good if you want to add it to shakes and stuff. At the moment, since I'm doing OMAD, I'm not doing any shakes, but now I'm gonna try the coffee one. So this is the coffee one. I'm not gonna make the same mistake as last time, so I'm gonna make sure to knead it properly. Now keep in mind, I'm not a huge coffee fan. I don't really drink coffee. I kneaded it properly. Now I'm just gonna open the top like that, so you can see. I'll just rip the whole thing off and let us try. So just so you can see it kind of, oh. Okay, definitely tastes like coffee. Again, I'm not much of a coffee drinker, but if you want it to taste like coffee, it definitely tastes like coffee, and it has a nice, creamy, good texture. I think between both of them, I prefer birthday cake only because I don't drink coffee and I'm one of those crazy people. So I would go with birthday cake, but if you like coffee, you're gonna love this for sure. So I wanna try the flour now. I think what I'll do is that I'll open it just to see what kind of texture it has and compare it to regular almond flour. This is my regular Costco almond flour. As you can see, I've used it a lot because I've baked a lot with it. I've actually had this for over a year. Oh, it's good to know because it's actually expiring in like 2 days. That's that. So I'm gonna try the Noosh one. So let's open it up and see if it's an almond flour, because I have not read anything about this and I didn't know they would send this. So let's check it out. Yeah, exactly. That's what I thought. So it's definitely an almond flour. So same kind of texture, if you can see the Costco one here. And this is the Noosh Brands one. So let's just try it. I don't think there's any human in the world who just eats almond flour like that. But it's definitely nice and granulated, and I think it would taste really good. Maybe I'll try to make some cheesecake with this one next time. So the only thing I could say is that I'm gonna make a recipe with this one because you can't really taste right off the bat what it tastes like unless you put it in actual recipes. Just for fun, I'll just compare it to the Kirkland one. Again, nobody just eats almond flour like this. So the Kirkland one's a lot finer, and the Keto one, the Noosh one, is a lot thicker. For some reason, right off the bat, this one tastes a little more almondy. So if you like that taste, I think this one would be the one to go with. And then in terms of nutrition on the back, so 1/4 cup of this one here by Noosh Brands, it's 190 calories, 18 grams of fat, 4 total carbs, and 3 of those are dietary fibers. There's 1 gram of sugar only per 1/4 cup of the Noosh Brands almond flour. So that makes it 1 net carb per serving. And then this one, 5, 4, 3, 2. I think this one's about 2 net carbs per serving because it says 5 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, and 1 gram of sugar, which means that there's 1 that's not factored in for. So I believe this one's actually the better one for you overall. And protein's about the same. This one has 5, this one has 6. Fats, this one has 18, this one has 15. So pretty much the same content for both, but this one tastes more almondy. I think this one's just the higher quality one since that one's just the Kirkland brand. And this one, they obviously use better sourced almonds and everything like that. So I'm gonna make a recipe for this, and until then, this is all we have for the video. So I hope you guys like this video. If you're looking for some new almond butter and you like just eating it like that, you need a new snack, there's different flavors like this on the website. But I highly recommend trying this one here, the birthday cake one. And if you're a coffee lover, then you can go ahead and try this one. If you guys like these kind of unboxing videos, then just stay tuned. I'm probably gonna make a top 5 or top 10 keto snack picks on Amazon. And I'll put the links down below for these if you like them. And if you wanna try them out for yourself. The almond flour, let me just actually try it in a recipe before anyone gets it. But I'll put the link down below for that one just in case you guys are curious to try it out yourselves as well. So I hope you guys like these unboxing videos. Let me know if you want to see more of them. I know sometimes it's tricky because some of you are fasting when we're making these videos. If you guys like these types of videos, you want to see more unboxing videos, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, and I'll try to bring you all my favorite snacks, my favorite keto recipes, things like that. So I hope you liked watching this little quick video, and I'll see you guys next time.